Welcome to the Grain Discovery Bootcamp, where you will learn how to use your custom-built marketplace to simplify the way you buy and sell your grain. Today, we're talking about how to make an offer. First, let's start on our website. To create a target offer, go to the marketplace page. Click on the blue plus on the bottom right and create a new target offer. An offer window will open, and here you enter the commodity information: grade, volume, and crop year. Click on trade and enter logistics: origin, grain buyer's destination, delivery period, and price. When all fields are selected, the next button will turn green. Select it. The final screen is an overview of your offer. Just check the details and add any other comments you want. Then just confirm. Congratulations, you've created a target offer. Then you'll be able to edit the target offer or delete it at any time in the My Offers section. Things are a little different on the app, so we'll review that now. To create a new target offer on our app, press the yellow plus button located in the bottom right of either the Cash Bids or My Offers tab. This will open up the offer window, and then simply enter the offer details: commodity, grade, crop year, volume, farm origin, logistics, like delivery period, then finally your selling price and any other comments you want. Clicking Next will take you to the final confirmation screen. Review your details and then make sure they're correct, and then press Confirm. Congratulations, you did it again, another offer. The grain buyer will be instantly notified. You can then edit or delete your offer in the Target Offers section on the slider or the bottom of the navigation bar. Now you can learn more about all the latest features in this app and on the website on graindiscovery.com, and happy buying and selling.